Hello, lower school families. We hope you're doing well. Morgan has offered to play a math game with me called Pull Addition, and Mackenzie is doing this beautiful videoing. Pull Addition works. You're going to have an ace, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are the cards you want to have for this game, and you need 2 dice. First, Morgan and I are both going to roll the dice. Whoever rolls the largest value goes first. So Morgan rolled a 5, shows first. So technically these cards are in front of me because Morgan's going first. She's going to pull the cards away. Her goal is to slowly get the value. So Morgan rolled a 5 and a 3, which is a total sum of 8. So she has a decision to make. Does she pull away the 8 or does she pull away a 6 and a 2? So she wants to pull away 6 and 2 because that's the value of 8. Now she rolled 3 and 1, so that's 4. 2 and 1 is 3. 5. 6 and 2 is 8. 3 and 2 is 5. So now, because she rolled 5 and she couldn't get 5, now it's my turn. So technically the ace, the 7, and the 9 are my cards. I'm trying to pull back from her to get those cards back. So I rolled the 3 and the 1, so that's 4. I rolled 4 again, so I cannot go. So now it's Morgan's turn. So Morgan rolled a 3, but see, she already has a 3, so she has no card to pull back, so she brings it back to me. I rolled the 3 and the 1. I rolled 4 again, so I can't go. She rolled 7. She can take my 7. She rolled 9. She can take the 9. She rolled 9. Now, if she would have rolled a 5, she rolled 9. Let's say she would have rolled a 5. So let's say she rolled a 3 and a 2. She could have taken the 4 and 1, and technically the game would be over because she had all the cards in front of her. But otherwise, because it was this way, we would keep rolling. I hope that makes sense, and the game is called Pull Addition.